Ever been stranded on a cold winter morning with a dead battery? Hey everyone, welcome back to our weekly tools channel. Today we're diving into the ASPERX Car Jump Starter, a powerhouse with an impressive 1500 amps. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone who wants peace of mind on the road, this might be the gadget you didn't know you needed. Let's check it out. Close-up of the Jump Starter in its case. First off, let's talk about the design. The ASPERX Jump Starter comes in a sleek, compact case, making it super easy to store in your trunk or glove compartment. It weighs just under 4 pounds, so it's lightweight and portable. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. Unzipping the case and showcasing the contents. In the case, you'll find the Jump Starter itself, a set of heavy-duty jumper cables, a wall charger, a car charger, and a user manual. Everything you need is right here, demonstrating how to use the Jump Starter. Now, let's get into how to use this bad boy. First, ensure your Jump Starter is fully charged. Simply plug it into a wall outlet or your car's 12V socket using the included chargers. Once it's charged, here's the process. Connect the red clamp to the positive terminal of your car battery. Connect the black clamp to the negative terminal. Turn on the Jump Starter, and you're ready to start your vehicle. It's really that easy. Now let's break down those specs. With a peak current of 1500 amps, this Jump Starter can handle most cars and trucks, including vehicles with up to 7.0L gas or 5.5L diesel engines. Plus, it features smart safety technology to prevent short circuits, overvoltage, and reverse polarity. Safety first. They're showcasing additional features. But that's not all. The ASPERX Jump Starter also doubles as a portable power bank. It has 2 USB ports, allowing you to charge your smartphones, tablets, or other devices. Perfect for road trips or emergencies. Demonstration of the LED flashlight. And for those late-night emergencies, it even includes a built-in LED flashlight with 3 modes: steady, SOS, and strobe. Super handy when you're in a pinch. So what do I think? The ASPERX Car Jump Starter 1500A packs a punch in a small package. It's reliable, easy to use, and offers great safety features. Whether you're a daily driver or just need something for peace of mind, this is definitely worth considering. If you're interested in getting your hands on the ASPERX Jump Starter, check the link in the description below for the latest pricing and availability. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome product reviews. Close-up of the Jump Starter in its case. First, let's take a look at the design. The ASPERX Jump Starter comes in a durable, compact case that makes it super easy to store in your trunk or glove compartment. It's lightweight, just under 4 pounds, so you won't even notice it's there until you need it. Now, let's unzip this case and see what we've got. Unzipping the case and showcasing the contents. In the case, you'll find the Jump Starter itself, a set of heavy-duty jumper cables, a wall charger, a car charger, and a comprehensive user manual. It's a well-organized setup, and everything you need is right here, ready for action, demonstrating how to use the Jump Starter. Now, let's get into how to use this bad boy. First things first, make sure your Jump Starter is fully charged. You can do this by plugging it into a wall outlet or using the car charger that comes with it. Charging is quick and convenient. Once it's charged, here's the step-by-step process to jumpstart your vehicle. Connect the red clamp to the positive terminal of your car battery. Always ensure that the connection is solid. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there on the road, and I'll see you in the next video.